You're on helicopter. Come, Mike. Press F on the rope.
Dude, why is it F here? It's always a control.
You kept the lights on. This entire region.
I was freaking out there. Holy shit.
Thank you, Agent.
Did you get out?
Yeah. But
okay, distracted.
thankfully you said press F because I was fucking spamming control.
Why would you spam control, man?
Because you get on the ropes with control usually in this game. That's some fucking trolly shit, man.